How to install WhatsApp Business on Android. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to the Play Store. In the search bar, search for WhatsApp Business. And then head over to this application WhatsApp Business. Right here you can see the option of install. You simply need to tap on it. It will start to install it on your device. You need to wait for a while for it to complete. There you go, WhatsApp Business has been successfully installed on your device. But for some of you, if you are facing the issue to install this application, then what you need to do is head over to any of the web browser. And in the search bar, search for WhatsApp Business APK. Head over to the second site. Slide all the way down and you'll find the option of Download APK. You simply need to tap on it and the APK file will start to download. Once the file has been downloaded, you simply need to tap on Install. And the WhatsApp Business application will successfully be installed on your device and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to download WhatsApp Business on Android. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it.